Thank you, Warwick, and thank you to Ambassador for setting the scene so well just now. It's a real pleasure to be here to open with you this seminar on realising the potential from the EU-Korea Free Trade Agreement. Let me also say thank you to your team, Ambassador, at the Embassy, and to colleagues at UK Trade and Investment who've made today happen. I'm sure it's going to be an excellent discussion. Now, today is just one of a series of events to help promote the FTA. When it came provisionally into force in July, you, Ambassador, and UK ministers led several big events then to raise awareness. Lord Green, of course, was in Korea earlier this month, doing likewise. And all that's very important, but it isn't job done. It's just the beginning of the job, and we really need to keep at it if UK and Korean business are to realise the potential fully. Now, why does that matter to us in the UK? It matters because we, the UK, really need to exploit our trade and investment strengths in order to grow. The current economic environment means that growth-generating opportunities in the short run are going to come from our trade and our investment performance. We need a strong net trade performance to ensure the UK can continue to grow in the current challenging economic circumstances. Now, the opportunities that are there for us are not just going to come from Europe for the UK. They're going to come increasingly from the wider world. The UK is a relatively slow growth, the EU is a relatively slow growth region of the world, and the Chancellor has spoken several times of the likely effects on the UK of the ongoing Eurozone crisis. So the UK does need to look further afield if we're going to get growth. Now, when we do so, there can be few better examples of a growth market than the Republic of Korea. This is a country that didn't enter recession. The economy is larger than Turkey, larger than Indonesia, countries with many times its population. Expected to grow by over 6% this year, which I think makes it certainly one of, if not the fastest growing industrialised economy in the world. The UK already has a strong trading relationship with Korea, and the Ambassador has set out some of the highlights of that. But last year, bilateral trade in goods in both directions came close to 10 billion sterling. And in 2009, the UK was the world's largest inward investor in Korea. And you've already mentioned, for example, the Tesco example. But there is a lot more to do. Notably, trade in services is quite a lot lower, at about a third of the level of trade in goods at the moment. And services is such a strength for the UK that we really need to do better there, and there the free trade agreement can help. Now, the agreement is the largest and most ambitious free trade agreement the EU has negotiated so far. It's a landmark deal that does unlock a huge range of real opportunities for both UK and Korean firms. And we reckon, based on current trading patterns alone, the agreement will result in about 500 million sterling benefit for the UK each year, given the almost total elimination of tariffs. But of course, it's not static. Those trading patterns are going to change. They will change as new opportunities appear and are exploited. So where the UK has a distinct competitive advantage, we do expect exports to grow. Legal, financial, all kinds of business services, ICT firms who are keen to bring their technology and cutting-edge design to the Republic of Korea, automotive components, pharmaceuticals, aircraft engines. All those are areas where we know we have strengths and we hope to benefit. UK firms working in the low-carbon economy want to work with Korean counterparts to research and to apply technologies that tackle climate change. In Korea, in line with the President's commitment to green growth in the UK and beyond. So in short, we really see big opportunities here. Greater access to a market of 50 million people with significant disposable income, and as we've heard, a growing appetite for British goods. Final remark, it's not just about UK exports. It's also about imports. We welcome Korean imports to the UK. We've benefited over the years from Korean products driving down prices, generating innovation, increasing competition in the UK economy, all to the benefit of the UK consumer and to our economy overall. We want that to continue too, and of course the agreement is going to help there as well. And of course we welcome Korean investment into the UK. We think the UK is the best destination still in Europe for foreign investment. We look after our investors. Many Korean companies are already here, and we want that to continue as well through the stimulus and attention that the free trade agreement gives to this relationship. So overall, we think there are really big opportunities. The opportunity for the UK and Korea to build on our shared traditions, to forge closer links between our two economies. The opportunity for the UK to secure Korean investment and jobs, to boost economic growth. And the opportunity for Korean companies to grow their European business from the UK, which is Europe's #1 location, as I said, for doing business. Let's work together in the title of this seminar. Let's work together to realise that potential. Thank you.